Oh dear. Morning, guys. It is only bloody Friday. Oh god, just about. I've got such a sore throat. It's unbelievable. Oh. I hope you're all well. Let's get this show back on the road, eh? For those who haven't watched episode 107, we are making our way back down from Wales. We stayed overnight down in Swansea. The load we had yesterday wasn't ready on time for us to leave on time, so that put us back by about 3 hours all day. Right, there's some roadworks on the M4 which has led to it being closed from 26 to 25A. So we've had to take an unscheduled detour through Newport docks on the A48. Just gonna past a massive crane. I don't know whether you'll see the struts for it there, that stretches across the river. So we got to go across the bridge, over the river. Not sure what river it is. River Usk. Usk it is. And the bridge is just over there, so you're coming with me whether you like it or not. Don't know if you can see any more of the docks over that side. There's a wind farm, some weird building. And like I said, we are really, really heavy, guys. There's a bridge. Woo, wow. Over the River Usk. Fancy a dip? Well, it's a pretty bridge. It's unusual because it's suspended from the arch. It was just the one arch. Ah dear. Ocha. Yes. But because we're on an official diversion, there's no need to worry about the bridges and whatnot, because they have to be. The official diversions have to stay within the guidelines. Can't take you under low bridges, for obvious reasons. My throat is still sore as hell. So I'm either coming down with my dear's cold that they've all been suffering with, which I don't really think so, or these energy drinks are giving me a bad throat. I've been drinking a few cans of Monster lately. I've been enjoying that. Other high energy drinks are available, but to be honest, I don't get any energy from them. I enjoy the taste. I normally like Lucasade. Red Bull's nice as well, but it's all overpriced, to be fair. Give me a bottle of Boost any day. Anyway, I'll leave you be. Well, there be light. We dropped our trailer off, and now we're just doing a few local trailer swaps today. So I should have time for 2, depending how long it takes them to load this first one that I take over there. So hopefully, my dear, today's gonna be a decent day. Can't wait to get home and see everyone. Right, we're on our way back with the first trailer now. We were still early. Someone had already collected the one this morning, so I was collecting the 10 o'clock one. So I was about an hour and a half early, so I had a bit of a nap while I was waiting for that one. Now we're on our way back to the yard. We'll drop this, pick up another one, empty, sorry. And they're on about cancelling the next load and having just collecting the last load at 3 o'clock. So I'm not sure if they're gonna keep me to do that. With any luck, they'll give me a pat on the back and say, go on, get yourself off home. But I'm not gonna count my chickens. If there's the only way I can work after 3 o'clock today is if I have a split rest. So if I go back now, pick up the other trailer and go back there to wait for the 3 o'clock one, then I'll have definitely had a split rest, which is a 3-hour uninterrupted break, which will allow me to work until 5:30. So as long as it will be ready for 3, I'll be back at our yard by 4:30 at least. But we don't want it to come to that because I want to go home. Alright guys, well, as luck would have it, I'm only bloody done. Oh dear. I've just got to quickly hop back over to that last place. Apparently there's something wrong with where I put the trailer on the bay. So I've just got a quick hop over there, about 10 minutes down the road, 10 minutes back, and then we're done for the weekend. Oh my god! So let's quickly get this done before anyone changes their mind. The next trailer is not going to be ready there till after 3 o'clock. So I think luckily they didn't want to make me wait that long. So apart from this little glitch, I could have been going home now, but never mind. Just a quick hop down the road, like I said. And it looks like I'll be back in time to take my boy to nursery. Woo! Oh dear. So yes, just a quick episode for you today, folks. I've tried popping you on the window there. It looks like it's very shaky, so I'll have a look through the footage after. Hopefully the stabiliser's been working alright on the camera, because it's got a stabiliser as such for shaky filming. So we'll see. But just going around Morning Glory now. You've never seen it from this perspective before. Probably can't even see the road anyway. We haven't got a trailer on either. Oh dear. So it's goodbye from me, goodbye from Bird Poo, and we'll see you all next week. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out the Facebook and subscribe. Easy.